वेलकम टू फ्री स्टडी अलर्ट। आज आप लोगों को बताऊंगा दिसंबर 2021 का मल्टीपल क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक नारोजी, पियोनियर ऑफ इंडियन नेशनलिज्म? ए दीपक कुमार, बी जसविंदर कलरा, सी दिनयार पाटिल, डी भोलाराम पाटिल। Correct answer is C, Dinyar Patel. Now question number 2, which former Indian president's birth anniversary is celebrated on December 3rd? A. V.V. Giri, B. Rajendra Prasad, C. K.R. Narayan, D. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Correct answer is B. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 3, who has been awarded the Woman of the Year by World Athletics? A. Duti Chand, B. P.T. Usha, C. Hima Das, D. Anju Bobby George. Correct answer is D. Anju Bobby George. Then question number 4, which one is the world's cheapest city as per the cost of living index 2021? A. Hanoi, B. Phnom Penh, C. Dhaka, D. Damascus. Correct answer is D. Damascus. Now question number 5, the India International Science Festival IISF in 2021 will be held in which state? A. West Bengal, B. Kerala, C. Goa, D. Delhi. Correct answer is C. Goa. Question number 6, which Indian shooter won silver at BWF World Tour Finals 2021? A. Sania Mirza, B. N. Sikki Reddy, C. PV Sindhu, D. Saina Nehwal. करेक्ट आंसर होगा आपका C. PV सिंधु। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Kinara Capital? A. अजिंक्य रहाणे, B. रोहित शर्मा, C. रविंद्र जाडेजा, D. जसप्रीत बुमराह. Correct answer is C. रविंद्र जाडेजा. Question number 8, which year did an Indian last win Miss Universe 2021? A. 2001, B. 2000, C. 1999, D. 1994. Correct answer B. 2000. Question number 9, which nation has been removed from India's at-risk nations list? A. Singapore, B. New Zealand, C. Israel, D. United Kingdom. करेक्ट आंसर होगा A. सिंगापुर. Then question number 10, in which of the following cities India Russia Summit 2021 has held? A. Noida, B. New Delhi, C. Pune, D. Mumbai. Correct answer is B. New Delhi. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, Which technology company has launched a cybersecurity skilling program that aims to skill over 1 lakh learners by 2022? A. Amazon, B. Google, C. Intel, D. Microsoft. Correct answer is D. Microsoft. Then question number 12. Which tennis team has won the Davis Cup tennis tournament 2021 held in Madrid? A. Croatia, B. Russia, C. Denmark, D. India. Correct answer is B. Russia. Then question number 13. Who was the Annie Rice who passed away recently? A. Actress, B. Writer, C. Director, D. Dancer. Correct answer is B. Writer. Then question number 14. Who has been honored with the Sports Journalists Federation of India Medal 2021? A. Rahul Dravid, B. Ravi Shastri, C. Sunil Gavaskar, D. Anil Kumble. Correct answer is C. Sunil Gavaskar. Then question number 15. Cabinet approved a treaty on mutual legal assistance in criminal matters with which country? A. Switzerland, B. Poland, C. USA, D. Russia. Correct answer is B. Poland. Then question number 16. Who has been appointed as MD of Hyundai Motor India Limited? A. Seon Yunep Kim, B. Unso Kim, C. Seon Unso Kim, D. Seon Swap Kim. Correct answer is B. Unso Kim. Then question number 17. National Consumer Rights Day is observed every year on dash. A. December 21, B. December 22, C. December 23, D. December 24. Correct answer is D. December 24th. Question number 18. Which bank has topped in digital transactions in the financial year 2021? A. Indian Bank, B. Canada Bank, C. ICICI Bank, D. Bank of Baroda. करेक्ट आंसर होगा आपका डी, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा. Then question number 19. Under how many themes the Nadi Utsav 2021 is being celebrated in India? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 6. करेक्ट आंसर होगा C. 4. Then question number 20. National Farmers Day is celebrated every year on which day? A. December 23, B. December 22, C. December 24, D. December 21. करेक्ट आंसर होगा ए. December 23. Then question number 21. Karl Nehammer has been sworn in as the Chancellor of which country? A. Sweden, B. Norway, C. Denmark, D. Austria. Correct answer is D. Austria. Then question number 22. Which state government has announced to launch free smartphone scheme? A. Uttarakhand. B. Jharkhand. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. And question number 23. Which state assembly clears bill to prevent mob violence and lynching? A. Kerala. B. Jharkhand. C. Haryana. D. Rajasthan. करेक्ट आंसर होगा बी झारखंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. Which of the following company has announced the digital payments Utsav for 500 villages in India? A. Microsoft. B. WhatsApp. C. TCS. D. Google. Correct answer is B. WhatsApp. Question number 25. Good Governors Day is being celebrated. A. December 21. B. December 24. C. December 25. D. December 26. Correct answer is C. December 25. अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन आंसर को आप PDF में डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया गया है, वहाँ जाके आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.